This is how I get ready in the morning and independently as a paraplegic. Real quick, I'd like to thank Gabriel Santillan for subscribing. So it's 7:30 a.m. and the first thing I do in the morning is I go on my phone. I'm in a hurry right now because my home nurse that does my wound care should be coming around like 8:30 tonight. So I need to get up and go in my wheelchair. Real quick, I like to mention, I like to sleep in my underwears because I don't want to be peeing all over my clothes. Now, if that's a big problem for you, then you could just wear pull-ups. They even got blue ones. Or if you don't want to wear pull-ups, you could just put a pad on your bed. So now it's time to head to the bathroom. So now that I'm in the restroom, what I need to do is I need to cap. And this only takes me a minute to do. Now after I cap, I do my bowel movement. And the way I do it, it takes me less than a minute to do. I pull down my underwear before I transfer. I use my middle finger, lubricant, then I'll hold onto the wall or my wheelchair, and then I'll just reach behind and then start stimulating. After I feel nothing left, I use baby wipes to clean. After flushing, I'll transfer back. Then I'll brush my teeth. Then I clean my face, and I'll use a nose suction tool. Then I'll use a blackhead scrub. Then I'll let that sit for a minute, and then I wash it off. Then I'll pat my face dry. Since I have dry sensitive skin, especially around my nose, my doctor recommends using 1% lotion, and it's just a thinner lotion. And it's around my nose that gets dry and red. And speaking of moisturizing, I always put chapstick on. Then I comb my hair. Look at that one hair. Since I don't want to go back and forth from the room to the restroom, I need to take off my dirty underwear. Alright, let's head back to the room. Now it's time to change, but first I need to put on deodorant. Since I'm good at changing, I just do this in my wheelchair. Oh no, he's wearing a shirt. Yeah, I'm cold. Next, I'll wipe down my bed. Since I'm blind, I need to put on my glasses. Now it's time to head to the kitchen because I'm hungry. My dad meal preps for me, and so I'll be eating one that's for breakfast. And also my dad buys me Activia. Before I head to my room to eat, I feed my dog. I mix this with dry dog food. Then I'll put some more on the top. Then I get her some water. So I'll eat at my desk, but before I eat, I like to feed my turtle. As you see, she likes to be dramatic. When I eat, I like to do on my desk because that's where I edit. This is one of the meal preps my dad made for breakfast. It's just eggs and sausage. I have Activia and I really like the vanilla kind. Then I also have banana because it's pretty healthy for you. So when I edit and eat, I like to have some background noise. So I put on the TV or I put on a YouTube video. After eating, I take my medications.
Still on those meds, huh?
Yeah, they help me to think.
I take 1 a day vitamin pills. Gabapentin, and this is 400 milligrams and it's for pain. Baclofen is 10 milligrams and it's also for pain, but if my pain is really bad, then I'll take 2. Alpha-lipoic acid, and this is 600 milligrams and it's for nerve pain. Duloxetine, and this is 30 milligrams and it's for depression. And lastly, for my morning medication, I take hydrocillin and it's 25 milligrams and I take 2 of them for my anxiety. Then the rest is for nighttime, and then the others I just showed you, I'll take 3 times a day. Then after doing all of my morning routine, then I can start my day. That's my morning routine. Leave in comments below what video I should do next, and as always, stay humble. Till next time, bye.